Let's talk about remote online notarization and how much you can earn as a notary. Remote online notarization, also referred to as RON, is the process of performing a notarial act using digital documents and audio-visual technology. RON is essentially a secured way to notarize a document for someone over the internet. There are 1.2 billion notarizations that occur per year, millions of which are done through remote online notarizations. Depending on what your state allows, you can earn up to $25 in a matter of minutes without leaving your home. It's a great opportunity for you to offer additional services to your clients and increase your income. As a notary, you meet with the signer using an audio-visual technology called a RON platform. The entirety of the remote online notarization process is completed on the platform, recorded, and stored securely for a number of years. The signer verifies their identity by answering a series of questions based on their personal and credit history. This is known as knowledge-based authentication, where they can submit their government-issued ID to the RON platform that processes and verifies their ID. With RON, documents are completely digital, meaning there are no paper documents required in the process. Signatures and notarial stamps are also electronic. Your notarial journal will become electronic as well, referred to as an e-journal or electronic journal. The RON platforms you choose will provide you with an e-journal and store it for you. With RON, your revenue comes from ancillary costs and again, can vary by state to state. Additionally, you may charge service fees for identity verification, witness identification, recording, and storage fees. To conduct remote online notarizations, you first need to be located in a state that allows RON. If your state allows it, offering RON services expands your client base to anyone in the world and provides a convenient and secure option for their notarization needs. Make sure to check your state website and what the requirements are to get started. Offering RON services will increase your flexibility when it comes to appointment locations, state limitations, and serving clients in other states. To learn how you can get started with remote online notarizations and increase your income, click the link below.